As a halal, we have been so very blessed. You know our name, Keali'ika'apunihonua, the chief that traveled around the world. And we as halal, we're so blessed to travel. We went to Rome with the bishop. He took us to Rome for the canonization of Blessed Damien to become Saint Damien. Then the year after, we went to Jerusalem and Bethlehem to walk the steps of Jesus, and that was most awesome. Then we went for third year for the canonization of Mother Mary Ann when she became Saint Mary Ann. So to be blessed 3 years in a row to share all of that with the bishop and creating more memories for us as a halal and to share those moments, that was just too awesome.